Yo, what's good guys? Right here again. We're about to install the KBD bumper. I do have the side skirts as well, not the rear bumper. Rear bumper is kind of fat and ugly, but gonna try and install the KBD front bumper. Also, I have a new rear bumper. I have a bash bar as well that's on right now. I plan on doing a bumper cut on the new bumper, and yeah, show the bash bar off a little bit. Yeah, let's get to installing. First thing we gotta do is take off the OEM bumper. Most KBD bumpers, I think you have to also remove the crash bar. So if this shit gets hit, it's fucking done. Usually you'd have to remove the bracket from your OEM bumper, but since he gave me this, I'm just gonna use this one. So there's 3 pieces to it. There's 2 inner pieces and then a front piece. What I'm gonna do is put the front piece onto the car and then put the bumper on and line it up, and then after that, see wherever these holes are, I'll try and drill them or mark them on the car, and yeah. Hey guys, this is actually day 2. Last night we stayed here until like 4 o'clock. I was not down to record at that point, but the bumper got on. It wasn't the best, so came back today, basically fixed the fitment. The gap between the hood and the bumper is kind of too large for my liking. Also last night we tried using this bracket, the bracket that I got the KBD bumper with. We tried using this one, but unfortunately like fits weird, like it wasn't going all the way, so I had another one at the house, used that one, and it fits better, but still not like perfect. Good for now. I'm sorry I didn't film the process. I know that was something even I wanted to see on YouTube, but it was late and I was so tired. Basically what I did, I put this bracket on the car and I kind of plopped the bumper on top and marked up wherever I needed to drill a hole. And yeah, it's basically how the bumper's on right now. And now we're trying to do the side skirts. What I'm going to do is just drill a hole through the side skirt and the fender at the same time, and then at the house later I'll put riv nuts in it and put it more secure. I'm planning on doing 2 here, 2 on that side, and then 3 in the door, just to hold it on real safe. But yeah, that's where I'm right now. So side skirts and then bumper. I should be taking the car there sometime next week, if not the week after that. But yeah, it's crunch time now.